I've been walking with my collar up through the rush of the avenue. Everyone they're throwing silver back like it knows what I'm going through. Cool breeze running down the boulevard, sneakers tapping out a little groove. There's a rhythm in the traffic lights saying you still got moves. Some days try to bend my name into something I don't recognize, but the city keeps a baseline on underneath these crowded skies. I can feel it in the turning wheels, in the laughter from a passing train. Every heartbeat getting louder now, like a chorus breaking through the rain. No map is waiting in my hands, no perfect line to find. One more step can start the spark and pull me back to life. So lift me up, skyline feeling I'm not done. I'm still believing, even when the rain comes dancing on my shoes. I keep moving, I'll break through. Turn it up, city singing, there's a brand new strange beginning. How high I climb is not the point tonight. I just know I'm coming alive. I'm coming alive. There were chances that I let slip by. There were words I couldn't say enough. There were dreams I folded small and hid in the pocket of a worn out jacket cuff. Tonight the skyline calls me out with the glow I've never seen before. And the version of me I used to doubt is knocking loud on every door. All the days I thought were wasted left a rhythm underneath. Now the sparks I kept inside me are lighting up the street. So lift me up, skyline feeling I'm not done. I'm still believing, even when the rain comes dancing on my shoes. I'll keep moving, I'll break through. Turn it up, city singing, there's a clean new straight beginning. No perfect reason has to fall in line. I just know I'm coming alive. I'm coming alive. Rooftops catch my voice tonight. Side streets carry every note. All the weight I used to hold turns to motion as I go. Doubt can fade behind my back, fear can loosen from my chest. There's a brighter kind of power when I choose my next step. Oh, so lift me up, skyline feeling I'm not done. I'm still believing, even if the whole world changes up the tune. I'll keep dancing, I'll push through. Turn it up, city singing, there's a wild new strength beginning. Winning everything can wait this time. I just know I'm coming alive. Lift me up, skyline feeling. Now I'm here, wide awake and breathing. Every little star is shining something blue, like a signal I can use. Oh, oh, turn it up, city singing. Hear my next step ringing farther than I dreamed. I'm learning how to fly. I just know I'm coming alive. I can feel me coming alive.
Your smile is like a melody, dancing softly over me. Every laugh a gentle swing, still I feel the ache it brings. Love's a game of highs and lows, sweet embrace and letting go. Holding tight, yet I still fear. What if silence lingers here? I try to keep the rhythm strong, but the harmony feels gone. Love is shining bittersweet, every step is incomplete. I can't deny the joy, the pain. It's a song I can't refrain. Moments fade like fading light, tender touch then restless nights. Every kiss a promise new, yet it trembles just like blue. I try to turn the sorrow around, find the beauty in the sound. Love is shining bittersweet, every note is still can't fake. Trumpets cry, the shadows play. Still I chase the brighter day. Even when my heart feels torn, I believe in love reborn. Love is shining bittersweet. Every heartbeat skips the beat. I can't deny the tears, the glow. It's the only song I know. Love is shining bittersweet. Every trial makes it complete. I can't deny the joy, the pain. I will sing it once again. I will sing it once again.
Streetlights flicker softly down the lane. I pass a corner cafe, your smile in my brain. Leaves are drifting slowly, caught in gentle streams, and I can't help but linger in these little scenes. A distant light, a dog chasing a ball, the hum of tires, the city's quiet call. Every little moment whispers something true, and in my heart I always find a trace of you. And I wonder if you see it too, these tiny words that feel brand new. On my way back home, I see your light shining through the windows in the night. Simple sights, but they feel so right. Every step reminds me of you tonight. The park bench waits, a couple sharing tea. A paper boat floats down like it's meant to be. Street musicians play a soft familiar tune, and in my chest my heart begins to swoon. Every shadow, every glow carry secrets that we know. On my way back home, your laugh remains in the gentle drizzle, in the soft refrains. Little things that color all my days. Every street, every corner calls your name. I could walk 1,000 nights, never tired. Every step I take fuels this quiet fire. Though the world moves on,